Hey guys, what's happening? How to see your card number, credit or debit on Apple Wallet. For standard credit or debit cards added to Apple, Apple only displays the device account number, the last four digits, right? The last four digits used for transactions rather than the full card number. For security, to view this or full details for an Apple card, follow these steps. Open the Wallet tab, tap the card you want to view, tap the three dots in the top right corner, tap card details, right? Or card information to see the last four digits of your device account number. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel.